If you're looking for simple methods on how to clean junk files on iPhone, this video will guide you step by step to clean them effectively, helping your phone run smoothly again while freeing up additional space. Solution 1. Restart the iPhone. Among all the cleaning methods, restarting is the simplest yet most easily overlooked. Every time you restart your iPhone, the system automatically frees up some temporary caches, RAM, and background files. While it can't replace a deep clean, it's enough to make your device run more smoothly for a short time. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache. Clearing Safari's cache can effectively free up storage and improve your browser's performance. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Safari. Step 3. In the Safari settings, tap Clear History and Website Data. Step 4. When prompted, tap Clear History and Data to confirm. If you prefer to keep your browsing history, you can choose to delete only cookies instead. Step 1. Go back to the Safari settings section. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Advanced, then select Website Data. Step 3. Tap Remove all website data, then confirm by tapping Remove Now. You can also tap Edit in the top right corner to delete website data for specific sites. Note, if you prefer to browse without leaving any history behind, you can simply enable private browsing. In this mode, all cache files are automatically deleted once you close the private tab. For Google Chrome users, the equivalent feature is called Incognito mode, and the steps for clearing cache and data are quite similar. Solution 3. Clear Downloads folder. Step 1. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Browse Choose on My iPhone or iCloud Drive. Step 3. Locate the Downloads folder. Step 4. Long press or swipe left on files you no longer need, then tap Delete. You can also select multiple files using the More icon. Select Delete. Solution 4. Delete large message attachments. Step 1. Open the Settings app and tap General. Step 2. Select iPhone storage. Step 3. Under Recommendations, tap Review large attachments. If you don't see it there, scroll down, tap Messages, and you should find the option. Step 4. Review the list of large attachments. You can tap any item for a detailed view. Step 5. For a single item, swipe left on it and tap Delete. For multiple items, tap Edit in the top right corner. Select the attachments you want to remove, and tap the trash can icon. To prevent messages from taking up too much storage, you can set your iPhone to automatic. Go to Settings, Messages, Keep Messages, and choose either 30 days, 1 year, or forever. This way, older messages and attachments will be deleted automatically, reducing the need for manual cleanup. Solution 5. Clean up duplicate or unnecessary photos. Merge duplicate photos on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Albums at the bottom. Step 3. Under Utilities, select Duplicates. Step 4. Tap Merge next to each photo pair you want to combine. Remove unnecessary photos on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Photos app and go to your library. Step 2. Tap Select in the top right corner. Step 3. Choose all the photos and videos you want to delete. Step 4. Tap the trash icon in the bottom right corner. Step 5. To empty the recently deleted folder, open the Photos app, go to Albums, tap Recently Deleted, then tap Delete All. Solution 6. Offload or delete unused apps. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Step 2. Check which apps occupy the most space. Step 3. Tap an unused app. Step 4. Select Delete app to remove it completely. Alternatively, enable Offload unused apps for automatic cleanup. Solution 7. One-stop solution to clean all junk files on iPhone. If you want a faster, more thorough solution for how to clean junk files on iPhone, a dedicated cleaning tool like Coolmuster iOS Cleaner is highly recommended. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer. After you have downloaded the software, click on the icon that pops up on your desktop. When it opens, you will see a window of the program that looks like the following picture. It will detect the connected iPhone and show it on its window. Step 2. When you are ready, hit the Start Scan button, and Coolmuster iOS Cleaner will scan your iPhone for all junk files. After the scan, it will then list all the files it is able to delete and still allows you to preview these files to see if you want to keep them or not. Step 3. Select the ones you want to delete, then tap the Clean button in the top right corner. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click OK to proceed with the cleanup.